What is Biot number? To understand Biot number, let us take a hot solid metal ball of surface area AS and temperature 200 degrees Celsius. Now let us immerse this ball in a beaker of water. Whose temperature is 20 degrees Celsius. Due to the temperature difference between the beaker, water and the ball, heat is transferred from the ball to the water. When the heat flows from the inner part of the ball to the surface of the ball, through conduction, the ball experiences a conduction resistance. And when the heat further flows from the surface of the ball to the water, through convection, then the ball experiences convection resistance at its surface. Thus we can say that Biot number is the ratio of conduction resistance within the body to the convection resistance at the surface of the body. Mathematically, Biot number can be expressed as where the conduction resistance is and the convection resistance is. Thus, the Biot number will be where LC is the characteristic length of the body and is given by AS is the surface area of the body, V is the volume of the body, K is the thermal conductivity of the body, and H is the convection coefficient of the body. Note that Biot number is a dimensionless parameter, and lumped analysis for the unsteady heat conduction is valid only if the Biot number is less than 0.1. Related terms are the lumped analysis and Heisler charts. Question. Remember keywords. Related terms are remember diagram, remember definition, useful information,